Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Place, friends. How y'all doing today? Well, y'all, I'm back out here in my workshop, and y'all know it's getting close to Christmas time, and I'm going to be making my daughter something for her bedroom. And what I'm working on is a rustic nightstand for her bedroom, and she don't know about it. So we're gonna try to keep it a secret. And I've just been cutting up some boards out of rough cut lumber, and I'm planing the boards down. And so I just want to bring y'all along and show you what I'm doing here. Y'all, this is probably just a little bit overkill, but I like making sure everything, when I put it together, it's going to stay together and not come apart. So I'll just try to put a little glue on everything there. And so now what I'm gonna do, I'm not really making no certain measurement on where I put the holes. I just got a general idea where I want them. And so now go ahead and drill this out. What I'm gonna do here, instead of drilling them all, I'm just gonna drill one of them, set me a screw in it. Put this countersink bit in it, and the little countersink. Go ahead and get me a screw put in there. The reason I'm doing it this way, instead of just drilling all of them all at one time, just in case this piece of wood right here is bowed a little bit, I can worm it as I go. And that's the reason I started out just this one little screw right here. Now, y'all, what I'm doing, I'm just planing this off a little bit. Had a little edge on it there, so just evened up a little bit there. Looks like my blade might be dull there. Fixed to go in for tonight. I just want to show you what I got done there. So far it's turned out pretty good. Got a little crack right in here, but that's all right. I didn't joint the edges or anything. I just that's the back side. All I did, I just cut on the table saw and So that there, I guess that bothers me a little bit, but it'd be all right. This out here is tighter, but I could like a little relief cut in here, maybe try to match it up side to side, but it's rustic, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'm gonna put plugs in here. I could have used finishing nails, but I like putting the screws to be a lot stronger, and so I just put little plugs in there covering them screws up. But that's how it's looking, y'all, so far. So I'll be back probably tomorrow doing some more work on it, and I'll show you what kind of progress we make on it. Just want to show you what we got done here. I can't remember where I left off, but anyway, I got this all put in here, my brace and everything, and I started building my drawer for the top of it. And how I did that, I'm just gluing it all together, putting these screws in, and then on the bottom here, I'm putting these supports in here. And what I'm going to use as far as the bottom, I had this plywood right here. I think it's like a cabinet grade plywood. It's pretty thick, so I'm just going to put that in there and glue it in there and fasten it. And I figure it'd be a little bit lighter weight than just say using some pine. Having planed it all down take me a lot longer. So I'm just going to put that piece right there in there. I'm going to show you what I got done here. I got my drawer built. Got my guides put in it right here. I just put these angle guides right there, and this is the bottom right here for the slides right here. And I just put these little wooden stops right here on the back of the drawer to stop the drawer, and then just put this front on here. Now, question, I didn't really think it through, I don't reckon, when I started, but the way I did this here, I've got to put some plugs in this here still. Then start putting plugs on the front here. But I think I should have just ran this here, did it a little bit differently instead of doing it this way. But I don't reckon it really makes much difference having it flush this way. The reason I thought about doing it this way was when you push it in, I could, you know, if the drawer's uneven a little bit or anything, you know, I could use this. I guess it's like a false front. I don't know if that's what you call it, but that's what I call it. And anyway, I can, you know, I got it leveled up and everything. But my doors right here, I'm gonna be working on this piece right here and planed it, and looks really nice. I like that weeping effect in that pine. And so I think I really put my two doors on, but they're gonna be recessed, so maybe this will look all right. It's gonna have a little offset to it, and like I said, I'm gonna be doing some working on the edges on everything, but I just want to show y'all how far I've got. Just putting these little wooden plugs in, those 3/8 dowels I cut. And just put a little glue on them and knock them in with a hammer. Hey y'all, I want to show you what I'm doing here in this drawer. Remember I told you I put some cabinet grade plywood in there. So I don't know, something just didn't set well. That I started looking at it, saying, no, that's not going to look the way I want it to look. Instead of taking it out, what I've done, I'm just cutting up these 1/4 inch southern pine strips and laying them in here so they'll match and gluing them in. And I think that's going to look a lot better instead of just having this plywood there in the bottom. So that makes me feel a lot better now. I just want to show you that. I probably should have did that to begin with, but I had this here and it's just handy. And well, I think it'd be even better like this because I've got a structural support with that plywood good and strong on the bottom of it, then cross layering this here. So this drawer is definitely going to be around for a long time. Got my put me some antler handles on the front of it. All I gotta do now is just put my door catches on it, and I'm fixing to get ready to put some of this Danish oil, like a dark walnut, on it. So we're gonna see how that looks. But before I put it on there, I'm gonna try some on a scrap piece of wood just to make sure I like it. And so yeah, we about finished with it now. Showing y'all there what it looks like before I put that finish on it. And I'll be back in a little while and show y'all what it looks like. I just got finished putting the Danish oil on it, and it turned out real nice. I'm very happy with it. Show you right here on the inside how it looks. I put oil all on the inside there, so make it complete. The only thing I gotta do is just put some magnetic catches up here. I don't have them, but just gotta get those put on there. And let me show you right here. There's a drawer. Show you off in here. That's some strips of wood I put in there, glue down in there, then stained it, made it look nice. And look at that. All the screw holes, I just put pegs and everything, and here's the top of it. Did the same thing there, glued the top down, and just put these pegs in it, and got these antler handles on it, knobs. So I'm sure she's gonna like that a whole lot. And she don't know that I built this for her. And I got Tasha right here. So what do you think? Think she's gonna be happy with it?
Yes, she will. She'll love it.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go out there, go to the house, and we're gonna get some or bring out here and let her look at it and see what she thinks about it, and see if anybody be interested in buying something like this.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna say, well, I'm not gonna sell this summer. I'm just gonna go ahead and give this to you and see what expression is.
All right.
But I want you to be holding the camera on her and me.
Okay.
See what her expression is, okay?
All right.
All right, we'll be back. We're fixing to see what Summer thinks. Look at it. You take a look at it, Bubba. See what y'all think about it.
It's nice.
Hmm? Like it? You think Daddy be able to sell this? That stained all on the inside of it, and put these antler handles and stuff on it, knobs. And look, the drawer I got lined with pine, and I stained it. And then here's the top of it. Put all these wooden plugs. Feel up how smooth it is up there. Feel it, Bubba? Like it, boy? How about you, baby girl? You like it? Did it turn out pretty good? Think we'll be able to sell this?
Yes.
Well, guess what? We're not gonna sell this. I made this for you, baby girl, for Christmas. This is yours for your bedroom. This is a nightstand, baby girl. What do you think about it, baby girl?
I like it.
Well, tell them you like it. So they see your face. Are you happy? Well, give me a big hug, baby girl. Give me a hug. I made that for you.
Thank you.
All right. So now I gotta do what? Make a vanity for you. She wants me to make a vanity now, and mirror and all that. So I'm not sure that's exactly my next project, but it may be. But I guess I'm gonna rub the finish off of it, Tasha. So then you just keep rubbing on it, smooth. But y'all, seems like she's happy with it, or maybe she's just a little bit embarrassed being on the camera. She didn't realize that I was gonna do this. But anyway, it's one more project in the books, and we appreciate y'all coming along watching. And as always, friends, from my family to yours, y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.